Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Hi guys. Okay, as you guys saw in the intro video, well, I'm going to dye my hair and I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But I'd like to add also, I am in Daegu. I went to this lady. Her business name is Locs. I found her on Facebook. She has an Instagram, but she's more active on Facebook. So you definitely want to send her a message on there if you want to dye your hair or your locks. I chose her because a lot of people, yeah, can do retwists, but dyeing is a whole different thing. And also, I'm not loose natural anymore, so I don't exactly have the privilege of just going anywhere and just doing anything to dye my hair. So yeah, I had to do a bit of research before I got into that. But yeah, I'm gonna put her details down below in the description box, and I hope you guys like this video. This is the first time I'm dyeing my hair. I've never dyed my hair, or rather permanently dyed my hair. I have wax dyed once. I dyed my hair purple. It was beautiful, but it was wax dye, so you could just run your hair down like under in the shower or wash your hair, whatever, and that would just come off. So yeah, let's go and see how this goes. Toodles. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like this with the bleach, and then we're gonna wash it off well, we're gonna keep it like this for a little bit. I look so weird. I look so weird. I like it. And then we're gonna wash it off afterwards. So yeah, just okay guys, just a quick reminder, if you guys really do want to check out the lady that did my hair, her business name is Locs. So she's pretty great, she's so helpful, and I absolutely am enjoying my time here. We've been having some really nice conversations. She's so accommodating, and this is like a really beautiful area that she's got.
We had a little bit of resistance, but I think it's pretty good.
Okay, so
Super light.
hi guys. Okay, so we've put in the color. It looks dark now, obviously, because you know how primary colors work. So we're gonna leave it like this for about 20 minutes. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. We're gonna leave it like that for about 20 minutes. for it to set, color, and do everything that it needs to do. And I'm so excited. Okay, we have some on my skin, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna come off with time, hopefully. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the dryer for like 15 minutes, just to let the conditioner, right?
Yeah.
Deep conditioner to just go in. It's pretty orange. Hi guys, okay, so I'm done, and I really like how it looks. Oh my gosh, I'm worried a little bit about the brightness here, but it's probably because of the bleach, but that's how it looks. I'm liking it.